Hey guys, it's Tony. I wanted to show you guys a really quick, technical analysis in DogeCoin. I'll probably be uploading another TA on Bitcoin right after this one. But we are heading we've had these set levels before. I told you guys, if we do not cross on the 4-hour chart and we stay bearish, we are going to go back to these levels of, 00777 whatever, right? 0078 whatever. I talked about this like a week or two back on the last DogeCoin technical analysis that I did, and I was right. I mean, we're hitting another low. We're hitting another low right here. If we do cross, this section, we do cross this price zone, and we hit under, and then we retest back up on resistance, and then then we still don't cross over this. Expect us to go all the way back down. More than likely, if we do cross on the bottom side, it looks like more than likely we will be headed back to this 005 level, which kind of sucks, right? But as of right now, it doesn't look like we're actually bullish. It actually looks like we're bearish. We need to keep gauging to see what's going to happen with DogeCoin. But as of right now, on the day chart, it does look like we are bearish. It does look like we're going to keep going down, especially with these big huge candles, these new bearish candles going on the downside. It does look like we're going to be headed down. The only good thing that I see here is the stochastic is actually looking like we're creating a bottom, but I usually go by the MACD. I don't really like going by other indicators. The MACD is usually what I trust the most, but as of right now, it is looking like we are bearish. The only time that I actually think we're going to be, going back up is maybe if DogeCoin respects this stochastic creating bottoms, we shoot up, and that means that we'll probably end up, there we go. We'll probably end up, retesting this support and then jumping back up to resistance at, 0.009 cents, so right under a cent. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look, it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look good either, right? So right now it's like right in the middle. On the hour chart, I mean, it does look like we can shoot back up to the upside pretty good, because we have been trailing down for a while, and we've been on the lower end of the MACD for a very long time now. So for the last couple days, and the good thing is that we've been trailing sideways. We haven't really been trailing all the way, we haven't shot down, so which is really good. And as you guys can see here, we did retest here and then shoot back up. We didn't actually break down under this price range. We actually retested, and we're currently at this level right here. So if we do stay above this price zone, we'll be pretty good. And again, the stochastic is creating lows right here, is creating bottoms. But I mean, we need to gauge what's going on with Bitcoin also, because it does look like DogeCoin has been trailing it for a while now. But on the week chart, we still look pretty bullish on the week chart. On the month chart, we're extremely bullish. And on the day chart, we're bearish on the day chart, but overall we're still pretty bullish, especially on the month chart. Like on the month chart, we're extremely bullish. Like I don't think you guys understand how bullish we are on the month chart right now. We just started, just looking at the stochastic, it looks like we just started the rally. And the good thing is that we've been trading between basically this price range. We've been trading between, here, the 1 cent level, and right now the 0.07 cent level, right? We've been trading really just on this price range right here. Like we haven't seen a big drop all the way down. Like it's just been consolidating right here. But the fact of the matter is we can still shoot all the way back up, which is a big possibility, because if we were going to drop down bigly, we would have done it right away. We would have dropped back down all the way to 0.05 a long time ago. But the thing is, we've been trading sideways for a very good while, which is a really good bullish sign. It looks like it's a really good bullish sign, that we're keeping pace on this price range, and there's a lot more buyers than sellers, obviously, because we haven't shot straight down. As of right now, I do think we're probably gonna, I don't know, to be honest, we can definitely shoot all the way back down to 0.05. I mean, it's really just about gauging what's gonna happen right now, looking at momentum. I can't really say we're actually gonna go all the way back you know, all the way back down to 0.005 yet. I'm not 100% sure, but if we do cross this price range on the low end here, we do cross this price range, I do think we're headed all the way back to 0.005. I mean, that's just it. You know, that's just what the chart is showing me right now. So with that being said, I'll end the TA on Dougie here. I'll probably make a TA on Bitcoin just to kind of, you know, see another crypto, that like the major crypto, right? To see where that might be headed in a little bit longer. But as of right now, I'm neither bullish nor bearish right now. I don't think it's going to go up or down. I really don't know what's going to happen. All I'm really looking for right now is if this price range gets broken, we're going back down to 0.005. That's really all I'm looking for right now. I'm just looking for this price range to not get broken and to stay, you know, for DogeCoin to stay trading flat around this area right here, or, you know, just shoot all the way up, right? But if we do drop under this level, under this 0.007 level, there's a really big chance, like a 90% chance, we're going back down to 0.005, unless there's some crazy news on Bitcoin, unless Bitcoin rallies. But for the most part, the TA is showing me that we are headed back down if we cross this price range. So we just gotta you know, wait it out for now.